Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja, for those of you stopping by for the very first time. Today I will be sharing my spring and Easter home tour with you. I will not be talking through the video, but I will come back at the end just to tell you some great news. So stick around and I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are tons of DIY projects and I have linked them up all in the description box, so make sure you go check them out. And now for the fun part, or a special announcement. We have welcomed a new member to our family. If you follow along, you know that my dog passed away in October, and this is Duke. Duke is a cross between a Newfoundland and Bernese, and he's 7 weeks old, and he's brought a lot of joy to my family. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.